distinguished guests to your VIP tour of my collection. Most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
Line at the door. Go down to your left edge, follow it through the
Attention, the door's open for you. I now present to you Cannulator Von's private office.
All the way in, folks. Make room for those coming in behind them. Stand only on the graded floor.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy.
Let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
You see a pickup the woman?
Yeah.
There's a woman inside there.
Yeah. Oh,
That's important.
Inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Six.
Do not buckle your bags until your belt or loop your belt or anything. Only. Is there any first timers with this? Yeah. First timer? Oh, cool. I'm freaking you out. Don't worry. Hopefully it doesn't become your last time.
Dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things around. Now show me those hands, people. Clearance, let's roll. Hey, stop! Does anyone have cake?
Hey guys, ready to go?
All right, here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
We are out of here! Thanks, guys!
Why are you thinking of? You barely sat there. You did nothing. We did all the fighting. You did not fight us at all. You'd be thinking me.
Hey, y'all just made it back. All of you? We're here. All right, grab my